Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and in this video here I have the CSEC Visual Arts exam paper from 2022 and we are going to talk about it. So let's begin.
Artwork Fly.
In this video here I have the 2022 graphics examination, CSEC examination. Alright, if you haven't seen the first video with the drawing, go ahead and watch that one and come back to this one, or watch this one first and go ahead and watch the drawing one. I also have other videos regarding CSEC Visual Arts exam, so if you want an idea of what the exam is about, what the exam paper is about, go ahead and watch those videos. Alright, so this is a long one. Alright, so let's begin. Expressive form C. So graphics is expressive form C. So when you're doing the examination, there's a section on the paper where you have to fill out what expressive forms you have to you completed. It's expressive form C for graphics. Complete one of the following tasks. You are encouraged to use your original artwork or photographs to create artworks manually or with the use of the computer software, where images are taken from other sources for inspiration, for example clip art, internet sources such as image galleries or books. The source from which the images are taken must be acknowledged. The images must not be presented as your own work. Where computer-aided software such as Photoshop, Corel Draw, or Illustrator is used, the work must be presented in the form of an art copy with the hardware or software used clearly acknowledged. Evidence of all original images, artwork, or resource images must also be submitted. A digital device with the stages of preparatory work saved must be submitted along with the hard copy. Use either black and white or color, or any combination of black and white and color. So what that is saying, you can use black and white. Your RP can be black and white or black and white and color. Alright, so it can be black and white, just black and white, or it could be black and white and color. It also says or colors. It doesn't have to be black and white, but color. Preliminary studies and a statement on the artwork must accompany the finished piece. So basically a statement on what your piece is about. Alright, so what above was saying, you are encouraged to use original artwork. Alright, so for graphics, whatever you're doing, it should be your own work, your own idea. If you are inspired by something on the internet, some other person's work, please, you have to state that you were inspired by such and such, etc. Alright, so let's say you went on Google and you find a picture of a cat that you really like. Alright, can be inspired by how that cat looks, but do not do the exact thing. Try to change up that image. Try to make that image a bit different. So let's say, for example, if that cat is sitting up, you can probably put that cat to lay down. If you like the texture of the cat, you can probably use a texture that they have on your cat, but then kind of change up the position of the cat or something like that. So if the cat is white, probably your cat could be black. So try and change up the image, try to fade the image, try to crop the image, try to put layering on the image, try to do a bit of changes on that cat. Alright, so you cannot use person's work from the internet. It has to be your original artwork. Alright, and if you do, please state where you got it from, and please also send up the the preliminary work, the preliminary studies, preliminary sketches of your work. Alright, so they can know that you're the one who designed it, you're the one who came up with your idea, they saw the development in that preliminary work that you sent up. So yes, this is your work. All right. Number 1, design and produce a card inviting a foreign diplomat to the Heritage Festival in your country. The card must measure 12 centimeter by 20 centimeter. So as you see this now, it seems like a invitation card, and they're giving you the dimension, and it should be about Heritage Festival in your country. Number 2, design and produce packaging for a chocolate factory. The packaging design must illustrate a 5-step approach on how the package would be constructed. The package must not exceed 20 centimeter in any direction. They're giving you the measurement. So basically you're designing a package for a chocolate factory, and you do the 5-step approach on how the package would be constructed. Number 3, on A2 size paper, 42 centimeters times 59.4 centimeters, they're giving you the size. Design and produce a cartoon with 6 panels promoting the theme positive parenting in the Caribbean. So what this is saying is that you're going to design a cartoon, and meaning 9, it said 9 panels, 6 to 9 panels. So it's basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7, 8, 9. Alright, promoting the theme positive parenting. So for persons who read like the comic books and some stuff like that, it's something similar to that. So in each panel is going to show positive parenting, alright, in each panel. So let's say for example in the first panel it could be dirty dishes in the sink. In the next panel, the parent over the dish, seeing that the dishes aren't being washed. The third one would be the parent going to the child, talking to the child and why it is important to wash the dishes. The sixth one should be the child going to wash the dishes, etc. Alright? So it's basically steps showing positive parenthood. Alright? And they give you the size for that. Number 4, design and produce a poster for a movie set in the Caribbean featuring any anime character you created. This poster must not exceed 42 centimeters times 59.4 centimeters. Alright, so they're giving you the size again. Design and so it's a poster that you're doing, and it's going to be of an anime character that you have created. So you have to create your own anime character, alright, for that poster. So that's it. That's the end of the questions for graphics and communication. Comment down below and let us talk about the graphics exam. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.